Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like...
What's up, guys? Welcome to this channel once again. Today we'll be looking at the full course about Exness Broker, trading on Exness, both MT5 and MT4. Before I continue, please, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, give a thumb up, and if you have anything, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, Exness is one of the best and reliable brokers out there. So if you're not using Exness, you might be missing a lot. So those that are not using Exness, I'll leave a link in the description below so they can check it out and sign up. And so if you have created an account on Exness and your account is being verified, you see something like this. Yeah, verified. So if your account is verified, all payment method will be available for you, as you can see. All payment method available. So after creating the account, you need to verify it. So I'll leave a link in the description below. When you sign up, you verify your account, and so that all the available payment method for your country will be available to you. So with those in Ghana, let me show you the payment method available. Yeah, that is with those in Ghana. These are payment method. I think mobile money is the only option that is not available to other countries. But as you can see, bank card, Bitcoin, mobile money, MB, Netella, Perfect Money, Scale, Theta, and then USD coin, Wirepay. So if your account is verified, all these payment methods will be available to you. Now, after creating the account, after creating the account and all the payment methods are unlocked, you click on deposit to choose your payment method. Before you can deposit, you need to create an account, either live or demo account. So let me show you how you can create a live account. So to create an account, you click on the three dot here. This three dot here. So when you click on it, you see, oh sorry guys. To create an account, you click here. You click here instead. You click on this drop down here, small drop down. Here you click on it. So when you click on it, you see this plus button. And then you see real. And then you see demo. So I'll be showing how you can create these two set of accounts. But at the moment I have MT4 account and MT5 account. So this will show the type of account you have. As you can see, MT4 and then MT5. So let's create, I'll create two live accounts and then two demo accounts, one MT4, one MT5. So let me create the MT5 account first. So you click on the plus button, this button. You click on it, then you see rail. Then you select rail. You click on it. So now when you click on it, you see MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4. Now we are creating MetaTrader 5 account, that's MT5 for now. After which we create a MetaTrader 4 account. So now you go with the standard, the recommended one, Standart. As you can see, minimum deposit 10 USDT, and then maximum leverage unlimited. The minimum spread 0.3, then no commission. When I come to the professional type, we have minimum deposit 500 USDT, then maximum leverage unlimited, minimum leverage 0.1. And when you come to the zero professional, we have minimum deposit 500 USD, then maximum leverage unlimited, minimum spread 0, commission per site from. So the commission here is $0.2, and then raw spread, minimum deposit is $500, maximum leverage unlimited. So the only difference is the minimum spread and the commission. Then I think the standard one has the highest spread, but it's also having the lowest deposit. So if you know you can't deposit more than $500, why don't you go with the standard? So the standard is the most recommended one, but you can choose any of them. So we're creating the standard MT5 account. So you click on it, standard. Now after clicking on it, you see the settings, currency. You choose your currency you want, either euros, pounds, any of them. Then you set the account nickname. So let me show you the available currency list. So you can see you have United Arab Emirates, Dirham, that's what. So any of them that fit you, you choose. Any of them. Euro, pounds. So let me just switch to euro. As you can see, euro. So any of them you prefer. I'm from Ghana, so let me just choose Ghana cities. As you can see. So GHS, that's Ghana cities. And then the leverage. I've been doing another video tutorials on leverage, so you understand what leverage is all about. But for the meantime, this is where you can set your leverage. Now you choose the leverage according to your risk or your capital, any of them. But I'll just leave it as default. Then account name. So account name, let's just put there online hustlers. We're creating this account for online hustlers tutorials. So we'll name it online hustlers. Yeah. Now you'll be asked to set a trading password. A trading password is what you use to log into your MT4 or MT5. So the password you are coming to set will be what we use to log into our MT5. So you can this password can be given to anybody to log into the MT4 broker to trade on your behalf. The person cannot do withdrawal. So when you're creating this password, they have rules, and then it must be 8 to 15 characters. And then a combination of numbers, and then lowercase, uppercase. You don't need to put yeah. So when you're setting the password, it must meet these criteria. So the trading password is the password you use to log into the trading terminal. As you can see, it's the password we use to log into the trading terminal. So this one has nothing to do with withdrawals and all those stuff. If somebody get access to this password, the person can log into your trading terminal and trade for you. So if the person is a good trader, he can book profit for you. If it's a bad trader, then he will burn your capital for you. So now let's set our trading password online. Dollar 2022. So our password is online dollar 2022 for the purpose of these tutorials. Yeah. So now, as you can see, this button will be active. The OK button will be active. Then you click on it. Yeah. So when you're creating the trading password, we got the error because of the dollar sign. This. So you don't need to use special characters when you're creating a password. So special characters are not part. Then you click on OK. Yeah. So now, as you can see, congratulations. You have successfully created MT5 Standart trading account. Now, if this is your first time and you want to trade, you continue to make the deposit. So you just click on make deposit. Then you choose a payment method. I'll be doing separate videos on how to deposit on each of these payment methods. For the meantime, let's go with the tutorials. So you select your preferred payment method. The payment method is where your capital is. If you have, maybe you have money on your Tether, maybe Binance, any of the exchanges, you have Tether there, which you want to transfer them to Exness, then you choose Tether. You have USDT coin on any of the exchanges, you choose this USDT coin. If you want to, maybe you have money on your scale, then you choose scale to deposit. Or if your money is on perfect money, you choose. If you're using bank to, maybe you want to use bank card, any of them. Or you have BTC that you want to deposit, any of them, you choose from your preferred option. Now you have successfully created the MT5 account, as you can see. Online hustlers. Don't forget the password, we'll use it later. And you, as you can see, MT5. Now let's create the MT4 account. You click on the plus sign again. Then you click on rail. Then you switch. Instead of this, you switch. You pick this MT4. Now MT4, they also have the same thing. Standard and Standart. As you can see, these are the specs, the same specs. So we'll be going with the Standart, the recommended one. But you can choose from any of the options you prefer. It's up to you. It's absolutely up to you. So now we click on Standart. Now we leave everything as default. Then we set our account name. We put the hustler MT4 so that there will be difference. MT4. Now we click on continue. Now we set the trading password. We are going to use the same password we used online 2022. I'll change these passwords later. So yeah. So now after entering the password, don't forget you are not using special characters. That is it's 8 to 15 characters long. Combination of numbers, lowercase, uppercase. So any of them. Let me show you what special characters are. These are the special characters. So as you can see, ampersand, dollar, underscore, and so on. So you are not required to use these passwords. You can't use them. So after entering the correct password or the recommended password, then you click on continue. Now, as you can see, we are done. So you can continue to make your deposit. So now let's go back to the list. As you can see, it has been created. And this is what we just created. So now, let's see how we can also create a demo account. To create a demo account, you just follow the same process. Right now, I have about 3 demo accounts. 2 MT5 and then 1 MT4. So what you need to do is you click on the plus sign, then you select demo. Here you select demo. You select demo here instead of real. Now, demo is also having the same account types, but we are going with the standard recommended one. We will leave everything at default. Then online. And click on continue. Now you also need to set your trading password. You are going with the same password. Now we are done. So we'll make deposit. This is demo. I'll show you how you can make deposit and demo. So you click on make deposit. Then you enter the amount, but this is the maximum amount you can deposit. That's the maximum amount. So enter the amount. You are going to enter 10,000. You are going to deposit $10,000. You can enter any amount of your choice. As you can see, deposit. Your deposit is in your account. Your deposit is accepted. You can start trading now. So you have successfully deposited. Now let's go back. As you can see, it's here. So now let's create one more demo account, MT4 this time. Now click on demo, the same process. You switch to MT4 and click on Standart. So let's just name it. What's the last? You can give you any name of your choice. MT4. The same password. Now you click on continue. Then we make deposit this one too. This one we are making. Let's make it $5,000. So we are depositing of $5,000 on the MT4. Then we continue. As you can see, our deposit is accepted. As you can see, it's here. What we just deposited is for trading purpose only. You can't do anything with it. So now that we are finished creating the MT4 and the MT5 accounts, both real and demo. Now let's see how can we log into the trading terminal. Let's see how we can log into the trading terminal. So here's our demo. We are on the MT4 demo account. So to log in, we'll click on this the setting here. Then you click on it. Then you click on settings. You click on settings. Then you see server and then login. This is the login. This is the server. So our server is Exness trial 2 and the login is 222777358. So you copy the login. Now you now move to your MT4 trading terminal. Here's our MT4 trading terminal. So when you come here, then you click here. Then you see something, manage accounts. You click on manage accounts. So after you click on manage account, you see this plus button here. This plus button here. Then you click on it. Now when you click on it, you see open a demo account. And then log into an existing account. To open a demo account, you choose a broker and register an account to learn trading and test your strategies. But to log into an existing account, you already have a broker and you have an account. So I'm logging into the existing account already. So far we already have an account. So we need to log into the existing account instead of opening a new account. So you click on this. So after click on you, they'll ask you to search for your broker. Then you click here. Our server is Exness trial. Trial 2. So this is our server. You click on it. Now you paste the login here. What we copy 222777358. So after pasting it, then you click on this. What is it? The password. And our password was online hustlers. So online 2022 rather. Then you click on sign in. As you can see, you have successfully signed in. Hustlers Demo MT4. So you have successfully signed into our trading terminal, MT4 trading terminal. So now you can now trade with this. So let me take you through the MT4. I have tutorials on how to use the MT4. So you can check in the description below. I'll leave a link in the description below or in my video list to watch about MT4. But I'll just quickly walk you through on MT4. So this button is for the course where we'll display the course. As you can see, we'll display the course for you. So this is my watch list, my trading watch list. But you can add as many as you want. So to add a watch list, you need to add a code, an additional code. You need to click on the plus button here. Now, if they now have Forex group, crypto group, crypto cross group, energies, indices, stocks, and Forex indicator, any of them. So we choosing crypto group. We want to add Bitcoin. Okay, let's add Ethereum. Then you click on it. It is added. Just with one click, it is added. Let's add Litecoin too. So it is also added. Let's add Solana. It is added too. So that's how you can add any of the coin you want. BNB, you can also add BNB with just one click. So the Forex group to any of the currency pair that you want to trade and it is not on the watch list, you can come here and add that. Any of them. Let's add this. Pounds versus yen. Yeah, it has been added. So that's how you can add the currency pair to your watch list. So now let's go back. As you can see, they should be added. Yeah. See them. We added Ethereum, followed by Litecoin, followed by Solana, followed by BNB, and then pounds versus yen. So these are where the currency pair we just added. So now let's move on to, in case you want to delete a currency pair or code, how will you delete it? You just click on the pencil button here. This. You click on it. So now when you click on it, these are the currency pairs on your watch list. So to do that, you click on the plus button. Now when you click, oh sorry guys, you click on the delete button rather. So when I click on the delete button, you see this select option. So those that you want to delete, you just select them. So let's select this. You want to delete that. Select this. Select this. Select this. Let's delete Ethereum. Them. So after selecting them, then you now click on the delete button. As you can see, it has been deleted. Now we no longer have those currency pairs anymore. So now that's how you can add codes or delete codes on your MT4 trading terminal. Now let's move on to the chart. This is where you can go to the chart. This is the chart button. So when you click on it, it will take you to the first code chart. The chart will open with the first code. Okay. So now let's go to chart. As you can see, this is our chart. But we are on the 4-hour time frame chart. Let's switch the currency pair. Euro USDT. So as you can see, we are on the 4-hour time frame. We're on the 4-hour time frame chart. So this is where you can do your analysis. Either you want to buy or you want to sell. It's up to you. I don't know your trading strategy. But this is where you do your analysis. So after switching to the chart, you can switch to any of the time frame you want. But as I said earlier, you're on a 4-hour time frame. You can switch to the 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes, any of them. So to switch the time frame, just click on anywhere in the chart. Then this is the available time frame. As you can see. Then we just select 30 minutes. Any of them. Now, as you can see, we have a moving average indicator. This is an indicator. Moving average. So let's see, in case you want to add an indicator to your chart or remove this indicator, how would you do it? You just click anywhere in the chart. Then you select you click this F button, or you just click this F button here. Now, as you can see, what we have is the moving average indicator. We only have one indicator, which is the moving average. So you click on this F plus button. So now these are the available indicators. We have the average directional movement index, Bollinger Bands, in volumes, Ichimoku, moving average, parabolic side, any of them, as you can see, Bulls power, BS power, moving average of oscillator, the volume indicators. But the indicators are grouped. We have the trend indicators, oscillators, volume indicators, Bill Williams indicators. So the first set, the trend indicators, these are indicators that determine the trend of the market. So, and then oscillators, volumes, and all those stuff. So now let's add a volume indicator. Money flow index. Let's add this volumes indicator instead. This. So to add an indicator, you just click on it. And these are the settings. You can set them to any style you want. So we select 2 pixels. Yeah. The color, you can change them, but we leave them at default. Then you click on done. As you can see, down here, this is our indicator, the volume indicator. So now let's add one more indicator. This time around, we'll be using this option. So you click on it, click on plus, we'll add Bill Williams indicator. Let's add alligator indicator. As you can see, we'll leave everything at default. In the meantime, I'll be doing a video tutorial on indicators. But for now, I'll just walk you through how you can add or delete them. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss interesting videos about how these indicators works. So let's continue. Now we'll leave everything at default. Then click on done. As you can see, we now have our alligator indicator added. Alligator indicator. Now that we have successfully added these indicators, how can we remove them? As you can see, the chart is too, the indicators make it too, things aren't clear in case you want to remove it. So let's remove these volume indicators. So you follow the same steps. There, as you can see, volume indicator. You click on the delete button here, top right corner. You click on, then you select the indicator you want to delete. So you select volume. Let's delete the alligator indicator too. Then after selecting, you click on delete. Now our indicators have been deleted. So let's go back. As you can see, our chart is now looking neat. It's having the same. You can remove this one too by following the same steps. So that's how you can add indicator or remove an indicator from your chart. So now let's see from the, in case you want to enter a trade. Let's say you want to enter a trade for this. So let's see how we can open a position with this. So let's go to our course. So we'll be trading Solana. You can trade any of the course of your choice, but I just want to trade Solana. This. So you click on it, then you click on open chart. As you can see, it is on a downtrend. So we are going to short. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do any proper analysis, but just some few stuff. So now you can, to open the position, you need to click here, the plus button here. This, look at it again. This is what you need to click. Now, this is our take profit. This is our stop loss. And this is our distance. Lot size. So we'll be changing the lot size to 0.5. 0.5 lot size. We are selling. That is, you are short. We want to short. Then you click on sell. If you want to buy, you click on buy. So you click on sell. Our order is open, but we didn't set stop loss and take profit. So how can we add that? Now, our trade is already open. To set these stars, you just long press on it. Then you see modify trade, modify order. Then you modify it. So this is where we're supposed to set our stop loss and take profit, but we didn't set it and we just opened the order. So now order is just open. Either it is in profit or it is in loss. So such an order, you need to close it manually. But for it to close automatically, we need to set the stop loss and take profit. So if I take profit hit, it will close the trade. If I stop loss hit, it will close the trade. So our stop loss will be 20. Let's put the $20. Now take profit will be, because we didn't do proper analysis, I just want this to close. So that should be $15. Now I click on modify. So our order is modified. Now when you click on it, as you can see, you now have the stop loss. So meaning if this coin, if Solana rise to $20, it should close the trade for us. And if you continue to fall up to $15, it should close this trade for us. So now we are done opening a trade. But to close it manually, you need to do this. Long press on it, and as you can see, close trade. Now, this is the final step. Down here, closed with loss. If it is in profit, they say close with loss. So we'll leave it at default. Now we'll leave it as it is. Maybe our take profit will hit. So now this is where you see your positions open. So far I already have one position. So this option will take you to your positions where your orders are open down here. Now when you click it, you see your capital, deposit, and balance. So when you close your trade, you see your profit you closed with and all those tasks. And this way you can see your history, your trading history. Either today, last week, last month, last 3 months, or you custom the period. Any of them is absolutely up to your choice. So now, basically, that's what you can do with the MT4 for now. So I did a video tutorials on how to use MT4. As I said earlier on, I'll leave the video link in the description below so they can check it out for more details. But basically, this is what the MT4 is all about. So now let's go back to our Exness account. So we're now on our Exness account. So we'll be logging into the MT5 account, the demo. This is the so we need to switch to the demo account. But before I continue, as you can see, you can't trade on the Exness account with the MT4 terminal. But with the MT5, you can trade there. So I'll be showing you that one later. But for now, to trade on the MT4, you need to have the MT4. You need to open the MetaTrader 4 app. So you can't trade here. So you just click on it. It will take you to the MT4. So now let's switch to the MT5. This is the MT5 account we created. Also, let's demo MT5. With this, we can trade on the Exness terminal. So let's trade on the Exness terminal before we log into the MT5 MetaTrader 5 app. So to trade in the MT5, demo in the Exness account, that's what I prefer mostly. That's the best option for me. To me, that's what I recommend. So that one, as you can see. So let's trade BTC. BTC is also on the downtrend. Yeah. So we are on the 4-hour time frame of Exness. So let me just quickly walk you through Exness before we continue. So this is the time frame. This is the time frame. This is the chart. This is the indicators. So to see the chart, we have line chart, the bar chart, the candlestick. As you can see, this is the line chart, bar chart, any of them. Then the time frame, we have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So as you can see, so any of them we prefer. But I prefer the candles. Mostly that's what I use. So let's short this BTC indicators. Let's add an indicator. So we have successfully add an indicator to it. So that's the moving average indicator. Now you can hide it by clicking on this button, the I button. So let's click on, we want to short, so you just click on sell. Now this is our lot size. This is where you determine the lot size. Then take profit, stop loss. There's one thing I like about Exness. Let me show you later. 0.2, take profit. We are shorting it, so that should be 4. Stop loss should be 18,000. Yeah. As I was saying, this is what I like about Exness. The MT5 inbuilt terminal. As you can see, it will give you the profit, pips, and percentage in advance, as you can see. So basically, this is what I like about Exness. It will tell you how much you're going to earn and how much you get at the end of the day. So after you have entered the stop loss, take profit, then the loss size, you confirm the sell position. But in case you want to do a sell limit or buy limit, you just click here. The sell limit is for maybe you want the position or the order to execute at the specific price. Maybe when the price is at 18,000, it should sell for you. So you just enter the price here. When the price get to 18,000, or let me just put 70,500. So when this It's too much. Yeah. So when BTC hit 17,500, your order will automatically open for you, and then that is the sell limit. But you want to buy at the market order. Market order. That's instant execution. So you just click on confirm. Our order has been confirmed. So that's how you can close the trade manually on by clicking here. This cross sign. When you just click on it, you can close the trade manual. Assuming it was in profit, this was in profit, you can close it manually. But we just leave it and see what the market has to say about this position. So now let's move on to how we can log into the MT5 terminal, MT5 app. To do that, you click on the trade dot here, just like the MT4. Then click on settings. Now this is our login, and this is the server. Our server is Exness MT5 trial. We copy the login. Now let's move on to the MT5. This is our MT5. So you click here. Click on the menu at the left corner. Then you click on manage accounts. After you click on manage accounts, then you click on this plus button here. Everything is just almost the same as the MT4. Then you search for the broker, Exness. If that's your first time, you need to search for it. But I already searched for this. It's the Exness Tech. Exness Technologies Limited. This is the broker name. When you click on it, then you want to log into an existing account. So you click on, you paste the login and the password. Our password was online 2022. Yeah. Then click on login. This way if your server is different from this, you need to change it. So you click on the drop down and select the available service. Our server is automatically what we want. Extends MT5 trial. If it is real, you select real. Not now. So we have successfully logged in. So now we can now start to trade from here. Now that we are logged in, let me also quickly walk you through the MT5 MetaTrader 5 app. Everything is the same as the MT4. Also, I have a video tutorial on how you can use this MT5. So I'll also leave a link in the description below so they can check out for more. But let me just give you a quick update on it. So to add a code, you click on the plus button here. You select the group, crypto group, them, Litecoin, any group, Solana. I think it's okay. Then if you want to delete the same method, click on the pencil button or the pen button here. Click on delete. Then you select those that you want to delete. Then you click on delete. As you can see, it has been deleted. The position that we open on the Exness. Here's it, as you can see. This is the position we open. This mark is what is telling us that you have opened a trade with it. The mark here. It is in loss. That's why it is red. If it is in profit, it will be green. This mark will be green. So now let's see let's move to the chart. Yeah. So you're on the 4-hour time frame of BTC USDT, Bitcoin versus US dollar. So as you can see, to open a trade, you need to click on this button here. Then you follow the same process. The MT5 will indicate the take profit and the stop loss. As you can see, the TP stand for stop loss. SL stand for TP stand for take profit. SL stand for stop loss. Then the loss size is here. So I also have the market execution. So let's buy. We are going long here. So opening two positions on Bitcoin, short and long. So we need to stop loss to be 17,000. Then take profits to be 7,500. And we are buying at the market price, market execution. You can change it to buy limit, sell limit, any of them. So our loss size should be 0.2, the same loss. Now we'll click on buy. Our order is open. So that's how you can open an order in the MT5 app, the MetaTrader app, MetaTrader 5 app. Now let's go to history. We don't have any history because we just opened the trade. So basically we don't have any history. But if the trade has closed, you see our history, our profit and loss. So this is the trade. So we can close this trade manually by long pressing on it. Then you see close buy or close position. As you can see. So let's close this trade. And close with profit, as I was telling you. As you can see, close with profit. And click on it. Our trade has been closed. So let's come to history. As you can see, we have a profit of $3.82. So we just made a profit of $3.82. So that's how you can close. You can manually close a trade. Yeah. So as I said earlier on, I have a full video of MetaTrader 5 tutorial, so you can check it out for more details. But basically, that's what you can do with the MT5 for now. The time frame too. You long tap anywhere in the chart, then select the time frame of your choice. You can add the indicators of your choice. MACD. Let's add the MACD indicator. So it has been added, as you can see. Any of them. But there's one thing about MetaTrader 5. You can add two screens to it, two windows. So to do that, you click here. You need to click on this button. Now you click on add new window. So the current window is BTC USDT. So you click on it. Now this is the new window we just added down here. So you can choose any currency or any currency pair of your choice you want. But we have both windows are Bitcoin. So let's as you can see, so 4-hour time frame. So you're on the 4-hour time frame of this. And 4-hour time frame in the first window. Then we'll switch to 1-hour time frame. So as you can see, this one is Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So you can do two analysis at the same on the same screen of your phone by adding multiple windows. I think you can still add another window, but as you can see, the two is okay. If you add another one, it might be the screen might not be enlarged enough to contain. So that's how you can add two windows to your MetaTrader 5 app for more analysis. So let's go back to our Exness account. Yeah. So we are on our Exness account. Let's see. This one too has been closed. So as you can see, we closed this one manually. This one was closed manually. And this one was closed automatically. You take profit. So guys, as you can see, Exness is one of the best and reliable brokers out there. So we just made $11.51 for this video tutorial. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I'll leave a Exness account sign up link in the description below for you to sign up. When you open sell positions, sell limit or buy limit positions, this way they will be pending order. But for the meantime, let's switch to the real account. And we now have the real account. So the real account, I can see I'm broke. There's nothing here. There's nothing, absolutely nothing. Everything is just the same as what you did. You want to open a position too, just the same method. Yeah. So as you can see, I don't have capital to open a position for this tutorial. But it's just the real and then the live account. The only difference is that the demo, you can't withdraw your funds. That's the only difference. Or your profit, you can't withdraw. But the real, you can withdraw them to your payment methods. That's the only difference. But the trading, the setups, everything is basically the same. Everything is the same thing. So there's no need for me to do the real account tutorials. To log into the MT4 and the MT5, you follow the same process to log in. The same process, settings. Then you copy your login and take notice of the server. This time around, it should be real, not trial. The trial is for the demo and the real is for the real account. So you take notice of the server. So here our server is in Exness MT5 real, not trial. Yeah, so guys, we're on the market menu of Exness. This place, they provide fundamental news, events, and trading signals. So this place, as you can see, the news that are coming are this. You can click on show more for more news. As you can see, news about Euro USDT versus yen, pounds versus dollar, dollar versus yen. As you can see. So these news, you just those that trade by fundamental analysis. So when they come, you can read to see more what the news are saying, what the forecast is all about. So, but mostly me, I prefer the technical analysis. That's what I go with because I'm not all that good in the fundamental analysis. But there are guys, or most of the traders too, they use fundamental analysis or combination of both. So it's absolutely up to you which one you use, which one you trade with. So Exness update you about the fundamental events and the upcoming events, as you can see. Those that trade FTP, NFT, and then FOMO, all those, they update you when they are coming. As you can see, this one will be in the next 7 minutes. 7 minutes time will be in 37 minutes time. So all these are events that can drive the market. So any update you want that come. So in case you want to open the position, then you check the event, the upcoming events that might trigger your stop losses. So you need to do proper analysis. Performance. I haven't traded for a long time. So if you are trading, you see your trading performance and all those stuffs. So guys, basically that's what Exness is all about, and that's what Exness is all about. So if you're not using Exness, you are missing a lot, seriously a lot. So I suggest you create an account and enjoy amazing features. Also, let me show you how you can add your watch list or update your watch list. This is also my watch list on Exness. This is the watch list. So to add or update your watch list, you need to click on this pencil button here. Click on it. Then, so this is the available watch list or my favorites. It's also the same as favorites. So you click on edit. Then settings. You search for your currency pair. So let me search for Solana. Yeah. Now has been added. Solana has been added. As you can see, has been added. And if you want to delete it too, you click on so as you can see, our Solana has been added. To delete it, you need to click on edit to and come to US 30. Then you click you unmark it. As you can see, when we now come to our favorite, it should not be there anymore. As you can see, US 30 has been removed. So that's how you can remove or add a currency pair to your favorites. So now we have added Solana and we have removed US 30. So that's my favorite, what I trade with. The most popular ones. These are then top movers, majors, metals, crypto. So that's how they group them, indices. You can quickly add it by, we remove US 30, but you can just add it. So you click on US 30 and you see this favorite button here. As you can see, we mark it. So it has been added to our favorite. So now when we go back to our favorite list, it should be there. As you can see, US 30 has been added. So that's how you can edit your watch list without going through the sections and those stuff. So minus, you can come to all of them, all the available currency pairs for them, for on Exness, energy, stocks. So guys, this is amazing. So please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you haven't liked this video, hit the subscribe like button. If you have anything, you can let me know in the comment section below. So I'll be leaving the sign up link in the description below, and then the MT4 and MT5 tutorials in the description below. So any of them that you want to check it out, you check it in the description below. And so guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.
With the webs I'm weaving, I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold.